Madam Speaker, I want to thank you for your communication. And indeed, what you have said, that the apology is really acceptable. But still, there are so many people, and this goes to the, through Madam Speaker, to the Chief Whip. We have a lot of indiscipline in government officials, including some ministers, not the word some ministers. There is a minister here, Madam Speaker, he's an ex-official. The last time he came to Parliament, he came not wearing a tie, and he ran out slowly. But when he goes out, Sam Mayanja is ever attacking Buganda institution, attacking the king, and that's another sign of indiscipline. He has missed sitting here for over 200 times without coming, with no sufficient cause. And the rules are very clear. I don't know why you don't write to the president. Sam Mayanja should be removed from the ministry. It's not useful to us. Sam Mayanja is attacking the Buganda kingdom, abusing Buganda. He's never in Parliament. How does he execute his work as a minister without coming to Parliament to tell us what is happening in the Ministry of Land? And this is a very pathetic.
Honorable Mayanja, I will rule 114. The leader of government business shall ensure that sub-rule 1 is complied with. Leader of government business. In the absence of leader of government business, we have the government chief whip, who is here.
So the rules, as stipulated, will definitely apply in this instant case you have quoted. Thank you.
Concerning a minister that abuses the king, it's a very serious matter, Right Honorable Speaker. This is about a leadership of a king in this country. A minister of government goes with the public, he abuses the king today, tomorrow, the other day. And the matter is brought here. I expected the government chief whip at least to promise either the matter to be taken to cabinet or anywhere. It cannot just be swept under the table like that. It looks like it is it's a government policy.
Honorable members, I have got the message. I am going to write to Honorable Mayanja to come to this floor. You first switch on.
Right on about the Honorable Minister Mayanja, I'm informing the House that I'm coming up with a petition to censure the Honorable Minister for the utterances he has made against our king, and then also about not attending this Parliament.
You will not censure him for utterances, but for missing the House.
All right, for missing the House. Next week, Mr. Speaker, I'm informing the House, I'm coming up with a petition to censure the Honorable Minister for missing the House.
But we will need to check our records. If he has not been asking for permission not to be in the House, we will check our records. Yes,